upcoming commercial shop beside me in the near future, everything is going to be so convenient.
I can finally save on petrol because the MRT is only 2 minutes away.
Buying a Guacoland property means investing in luxury.
With a variety of food options across the road, you will never go hungry.
Sitting next to the central catchment area, you'll enjoy 30 hectares of greenery from the comfort of your own balcony.
The very first high-rise is Springleaf with the panoramic views of the surrounding areas.
With the addition of Bird Paradise, now I have 5 parks to bring my family to.
A landmark development by Guacoland, Springleaf Residence, where nature meets convenience.